Hello friend, this is Paper Kitty. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun project share where I show you how I use the ephemera that I received from Queenacraft, and they have provided me with some beautiful ephemera, which some of it can be used for my Halloween junk journal. And so as you can see here, I am putting this in the first pocket, and I think it looks really cute. Now this page here is a very thin, could be a collage, and so I may attach it, but in the meantime I've put it with a paper clip. And then this fun little hand is a cute place to put that in, where it says don't be scared. And you know, there's a lot of pockets in here, so there's definitely places that I need to fill. This is like a little haunted house kind of thing image, and it's a sticker. So there were lots of stickers in this pack, and I really love that because it makes it just so easy, like I said, to just stick them in the pockets or you know, adhere them, because a lot of them are stickers. And so this is a fun sticker because it's kind of like a clear sticker, and I could probably cut those pieces apart separately, but I think I end up using it, leaving it all together because I like the way it looked in one of the pages. But yeah, there again, I am putting something in a pocket because again, when you have lots of pockets, well, you need to fill them. And so I loved having all that ephemera to be able to do that. And I actually haven't completed the journal, so I'm still working on it, and a lot of stuff is paper clip, but that pretty much lets me know where I'm going to put things. And so it was really helpful to have these this ephemera. I will be showing you the close-up of some pictures that I took at the end of the video, so be sure and stay at the end so that you could see a little bit closer up how these ended up looking in the different places that I put them. So yeah, I'm just kind of going here to different pages and just trying them on to see what I like. I like this page right here, and again, it's kind of like a little book page. They just give you a variety of things in that ephemera pack, and so this is a page that I put this here in, and I love that. So now I've got this little image, and it's like a little ghostly image. Again, I know it's a little bit hard to see because it's small, but I will, like I said, put the pictures at the end so that you can get a chance to see the images a little bit better. But yeah, definitely if you are looking for some ephemera for anything kind of vintage, kind of Gothic, or kind of Halloween, this is definitely the one to use. I will be linking the ephemera pack below in case you're interested in that. And again, thank you again, Queenacraft, for providing these beautiful products for me to use and demonstrate. And to you guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure and give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to subscribe, be sure and hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will know when I have a new video for you. Love you so much. Love you so much. And I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to stay after for a few seconds to see the pictures. Bye now.